guys, welcome back to Halftime Report. Now, as Ola Electric is all set to file its DRHP for an IPO on the 20th of December, we are looking at the growing electric two-wheeler sector, and the stock on my radar today is TVS Motor. Now, the big story here is that TVS Motor is fast catching up to #1 player Ola Electric in the fast-growing electric two-wheeler space. So let's not forget, TVS Motor right now is the #2 player. But let's first take a look at the stock movement, right? It's at a fresh 52-week high as we speak, and the stock is up 82% in 2023 so far. Now, TVS has a very successful product in the electric space, which is the iQube, and it's become the clear #2 player in the last 1 year. It's displaced the likes of Ampere, Okinawa, etc. And now it's on the heels of Ola Electric to become the #1 player, perhaps in the near future. If you look at just the growth in the last 1 year, TVS's growth has been faster than Ola Electric. The two-wheeler volumes for Ola Electric have grown about 17.5% from FY23 to year-to-date FY24. In the same period, TVS Motor has seen a 40% growth. Similar is the case with the market share, actually. Year-to-date in FY24, Ola still has the highest market share of 31.6%, but the growth that Ola has seen is much lower than the growth that TVS Motor has seen. So the big question we're asking is that, can TVS Motor beat Ola Electric to become the #1 electric two-wheeler player? Now, see, Ola also is very ambitious. They have ambitions to sell 1 million scooters a year and become EBITDA positive by 2025. But TVS is not too far behind. They are ramping up their production aggressively. In August, in fact, TVS ramped up its production to 25,000 e-scooters a month. They ramped up their sales outlets to 900 in the next 12 months. And they've made a slew of investments in the e-mobility space, including buying a Norton motorcycle for $100 million. And they have a plan to launch a premium electric motorcycle. They also have a plan to launch an electric three-wheeler. So they want to provide the entire basket of electric mobility to the consumer. Now, UBS put out a note where they said that TVS Motor will fast emerge as the largest player in the electric two-wheeler space, so my eye is squarely on the stock. The only risk factor is that the valuations are expensive compared to its peers after the kind of run-up. So the price to earnings it's at 30 times, while peers like Bajaj and Hero are still trading at around 16 to 19 odd times. But nevertheless, as Ola gears up for its filing its DRHP, TVS is the one I'm going to watch closely.
All right, iQube is what everyone will be keeping an eye out on. Sonia, thanks a lot for that great insight there on TVS Motors.